When it comes to vinyl, not a lot of maintenance required. That's one of the pros that people often list with it. However, it does get chalky in the sun. Vinyl expands and contracts a lot, so it'll start to get brittle. It's kind of a downside actually that you can't do anything to maintain it because you can't paint it or it will warp. You have some real downsides to that. It's also really susceptible to hail damage. So not a lot you can do to protect it from hail. It's just gonna get old, brittle, it's gonna get hit by hail, and it's gonna crack and break. When it comes to composite wood, definitely you're going to want to maintain the caulking on it. You're gonna wanna maintain a fresh coat of paint every 7 or 8 years. That's an important thing to know because when it comes to maintaining composite wood siding, it can get really costly. Every 7 or 8 years, you're gonna be spending $10,000, $12,000 to paint the whole house. When it comes to James Hardie fiber cement siding, you get a lifetime warranty on that product. When you get James Hardie Color Plus siding, it comes with a factory applied paint. It's baked on at the factory, and you get a 15-year finish warranty on that. One of the things with James Hardie is that when you have Color Plus on it, it is sealed for life. You don't ever have to paint it. Let's say you choose a white color, it's never gonna actually fade. You're gonna be able to look at that product. You're gonna see the siding on your house. It's gonna be the same color. You might wanna paint it in 15, 20 years. You might wanna change the color, but you're never going to have to in order to maintain the product. There are some popular brands of composite wood siding that people may choose to put up. That may be a little bit cheaper on the front end than putting up James Hardie fiber cement, but in the long term, you're gonna end up paying for it. Some of those products don't cover in their warranty things like edge checking, which means that the bottom edges of the siding are gonna start to swell and expand and take on water because they know when it comes to a composite wood, that's something that's just gonna happen. With James Hardie, you don't have that problem. When it comes to maintenance, you have very little that you need to do to maintain it. You may use the hose and wash it off every couple of years, but for the most part, it's a permanent, durable product that's going to last.